Paramashivoham. Your body, which evolved, your consciousness, which descended. Your consciousness descended from Paramashiva. Your body evolved from animals. During the time of the puja, your body imbibes the state, space, powers and being of Paramashiva and starts manifesting. If you want superconscious breakthrough, start doing puja every day. I tell you, during the puja, Paramashiva himself manifests in your system and gives not just DNA breakthrough, biomemory breakthrough, where he becomes your biomemory, muscle memory. He becomes your very core being.